everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Sweetie Ardo and thank you for tuning in. I hope you all are doing well. Now in today's video, I'm going to talk about face wash, the right kind of face wash. Now throughout the day, our skin is exposed to bacteria, pollutants and dirt. Washing our skin removes these impurities and makes it look clean. But it is obvious, we all know about it, isn't it? What is important is that we use the right kind of face wash that is non-drying, hydrates your skin and balances your skin. Now, the first step of any skincare regime is cleansing your skin, and there is nothing better than going all natural for it. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about one such all-natural face wash that not only improves your skin, purifies your skin and is non-drying. And that face wash is Mother's Sparsh Turmeric Healing Face Wash for pigmentation, dark spots and radiant skin. Now this face wash with the goodness of turmeric and gotu-kola extracts not only purifies your skin but also deep cleanses the pore-clogging impurities. That gives you a radiant skin and definitely it is non-drying. So please continue to watch the entire video because in this video I'm going to talk about this face wash in brief. I'm going to talk about the goodness of the ingredients in it and also how it is beneficial for your skin and whether it is suitable for all skin types. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And now, without further ado, let's get started. Now, let me talk about the packaging of Mother's Sparsh Turmeric Healing Face Wash. Mother's Sparsh Turmeric Healing Face Wash comes in a white squeezable tube packaging like this. It has a flip open cap which is quite tight, but the consistency of the face wash is too runny. So if you do not clean the mouth of the tube, there might be a spillage or leakage. Now on the top of the packaging, it is written Dr. Janeja's Mother's Sparsh Turmeric Healing Face Wash for hyperpigmentation, dark spots and radiant skin. It has the goodness of turmeric and gotu-kola extract, and the net quantity of this product is 100 gram. The price of this product is rupees 375 and the shelf life of this product is 24 months from the date of manufacturing. All the other details like the ingredients, the directions to use have been mentioned in the packaging itself. Now talking about the face wash, this face wash is yellow in color and it has a very runny texture. The fragrance of the face wash is so refreshing and it instantly makes you feel so good. This face wash lathers nicely, cleans your face well and it rinses off easily without leaving any residue. Now this face wash has natural formulation, it is cruelty free, it is free from any harmful chemicals like sulfates, parabens and platelets. This has no artificial color or fragrance. Now let me show you how to use this face wash. Now I believe this face wash will suit all skin types. I have a combination skin type. Now even though this face wash is made with natural formulations, a word of caution, even natural ingredients can cause and trigger allergies. So always do a patch test before using the product. Also, this product is not intended to diagnose, cure, treat or prevent any disease. Now, let me show you how to use this product. Wet your face and apply a small amount of the face wash on the wet face. Work in a circular motion with your wet fingertips. The healing components of Mother's Sparsh Turmeric Healing Face Wash help cleanse away impurities while packing nutrients into the skin. This face wash is infused with organic humectants that cleanses and locks in moisture without drying the skin, leaving it hydrated and nourished. Its potent essence works into the skin to fade dark spots and diminishes the appearance of blemishes and hyperpigmentation due to the sun damage. Now, rinse well with water and pat dry. Follow with a nourishing moisturizer to seal the moisture in. Now here you have it, a cleansed, purified skin which you will love. Now, let me talk about the pros and cons of Mother Sparsh Turmeric Healing Face Wash. Now, this face wash is infused with turmeric, which purifies your skin. This face wash has Gotu-kola extracts, which is great for stimulating collagen, forestalling the presence of wrinkles and pigmentation, and also it protects your skin from free radicals. This face wash claims to fade away dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Now, coming to that, I do not have any issues of hyperpigmentation or dark spots on my skin. I did have 1 or 2 pimple spots on my skin which is faded away, but then again I experiment with so many natural products on my skin. I do not know if this face wash is responsible for the fading of dark spots on my skin, but this definitely deep cleanses the pore clogging impurities. This face wash is non-drying, it has natural formulations in it, it is cruelty free. This face wash has no artificial color or fragrance to it. This Lathers Well, it rinses off easily without leaving any residue. It moisturizes your skin and balances your skin. Coming to the cons of this face wash I believe is not travel friendly because of its running texture. So loves, enjoy the cleansing of your skin without drying it with Mother Sparsh Turmeric Healing Face Wash. This face wash actually does what a face wash must do. So I believe you loved watching this video, and if you did, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel. For your convenience, I have listed the product details in the description box below. I'll see you soon with another such video. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.